Dear students, now we are in the topic circles objective. Today class is level 4. Until yesterday we have completed level 3. Now today I am going to discuss the level 4 topic. This is the last objective topic in the circles. Let us see the first question. The equation of circle in the first quadrant touching each of the coordinate axes at a distance of 1 unit from origin. The equation of circle in the first quadrant touching each coordinate axis. If a circle touches coordinate axis, both coordinate axes, then we know that the equation of circle is x minus r whole square plus y minus r whole square equal to r square. Equation of circle. Whenever the circle touches the coordinate axis is x minus r whole square plus y minus r whole square is equal to r square. So circle center is r comma r and radius is also r. So according to option it is only first option. Right, simply verify first option. Verify first option, you will be getting the answer as center r comma r and radius is r, x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Generally here see 1 comma 1 and radius is 1 plus 1 minus 1. So it is 1. That's all. Now let us discuss second question. Circle on which the coordinates of any point are 2 plus 4 cos theta and minus 1 plus 4 sin theta, where theta is a parameter. Parametric points of circle. Parametric points of circle. Let us remember parametric points of circle. X is equal to x1 plus r cos theta. Of course, this notation as h plus r cos theta. X is equal to h plus r cos theta and y is equal to k plus r sin theta. Here given as the value 2 plus 4 cos theta. X equal to 2 plus 4 cos theta and y is equal to minus 1 plus 4 sin theta. We can understand using this h plus r cos and k plus r sin theta concept. Center C is equal to h comma k. Center C h comma k concept 2 comma minus 1 and r is equal to 4. Using this parametric points equation of circle we can write as x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. As x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to r square with 16 here. According to option, x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square with 16 is fourth option. Now let us discuss about third question. A circle has radius 3 units and is center lie on the line y is equal to x minus 1. Line L is equal to y is equal to x minus 1. So we can write here as x minus y plus 1 x minus y minus 1 equal to x minus y minus 1 equal to 0 is the line. Its circle radius is 3 units and center lie on the line also passes through the point 7 comma 3. Center lie on the line x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. X minus y minus 1 equal to 0. Let us verify the option. Let us take first option. First option center is 2 comma 3. If we substitute 2 comma 3, 2 minus 3 minus 1 is not equal to 0. First option is not correct. Let us verify option 2. Let us verify option 2. Write x square plus y square minus 14x minus 12y plus 76 is equal to 0. Center C is equal to here 7 comma 6. Substitute in line. From 1 you can write. Whenever this center lie on this circuit, it is a diameter. Center lie on the line, it is diameter. 7 comma 6 substitute in the line, you can get 7 minus 6 minus 1 equal to 0. It's okay. So second option is okay. Third option 4 comma 3, it is also okay. 4 comma 3. Fourth option 4 comma 3, it is also okay. Now let us define about the radius. Radius is 3. Radius r is equal to, let us verify here, 7 whole square 49 plus 36 minus 76. 36 minus 76 minus 40, 49 minus 40 is equal to 9, 9 root 3. Second option is okay. Let us discuss about third option. It is minus 136, not at all possible. Let us verify fourth option also. Fourth option, x square plus y square. X square plus y square minus 8x minus 6y plus 16 is equal to 0. X center here, fourth option center 4 comma 3. If you substitute the value 4 comma 3 in line from 1, we can write here 4 minus 3 minus 1 equal to 0. 4 minus 3 minus 1 equal to 0. Let us discuss about fourth one. So it is also okay, and radius r is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c concept to 16 plus 9 minus 16 over root, that is equal to 3. Now let us discuss the fourth question. If a circle passes through the point 0 comma 0 and 0 comma a and 0 comma b, you can put here this one as 0 comma a on y-axis, this is 0 comma a origin, and this is 0 comma b. If a circle passes through the point 0 comma 0 and 0 comma b, passes through the point 0 comma a and 0 comma b, then coordinates of its center. If you think like this, the midpoint is the center, midpoint is a by 2, 0 comma a 0 by 2, 0 comma a by 2. It is not correct. Let us discuss about the equation of circle. X square plus y square, circle x square plus y square. If it is a, maybe it is correct. If it is mistake, let us verify whether the mistake is there or not there. 0 comma a and 0 comma b. X square, if a circle passes through 0 0 and 0 a 0 b, then the coordinates of its center. If it is 0 0 and 0 a, AB will be diameter, angle AOB. Let us discuss about this. If AB is diameter, this is angle in semicircle, this is 90 degrees. Whenever it is 90 degrees, if it is a diameter, longest chord falls into the center. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 by 2 and a plus b by 2 is the radius. There is no option like that a plus b by 2. Option is there like this a by 2 comma b by 2. So equation of circuit should pass through, maybe whether verifying the mistake. Verifying the print mistake, put here 0 comma 0. If it is a comma 0 and here it is 0 comma b, draw like this, join line like this. This is diameter, this is the semicircle, this is the angle 90 degrees which is intersecting the coordinate axis. Point of intersection of coordinate axis is origin 0 comma 0. So midpoint of the hypotenuse is the center a by 2 comma b by 2. So it is not correct. Points should be given like this. So x square plus y square, we know that the circle equation also, the equation of circle passing through the point 0 0 and a comma 0 and 0 comma b is x square plus y square minus x minus b is equal to 0 there. The center is, according to this equation also, we can conclude the center is a by 2 comma b by 2. So it is wrong, correct the print mistake. Not 0 comma a, it is a comma b. Okay, let us discuss the important question. This is the important question at pair of parallel lines and straight lines also. If the line L1 you write, if the line L1 3x plus 4y, 3x minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0 and L2 is equal to 6x minus 8y plus 7 equal to 0. Let us write, multiply this line with the 2, you will be getting here 6x minus 8y plus 8 is equal to 0 and here 6x minus 8y plus 7 equal to 0. You can understand that the two lines are parallel. Two lines are parallel. Two parallel tangents are there for the circle. This is a tangent, this is a tangent. Draw like this. The distance between parallel lines is diameter. Diameter is equal to distance between parallel lines. Diameter equal to distance between parallel lines. Distance between parallel lines formula modulus of C1 minus C2 by root of a square plus b square. What is the modulus of C1 minus C2 here? 8 minus 7. So 1 by root of 6 square plus 8 square. So 1 by 8 minus 6x, 3x minus 4y plus 8. Here the line 3x minus 4y plus 4. This is minus 7. So 8 minus of minus 7, 15 by 10. 15 by 10, 3. 5 table will be dividing as 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is the diameter. So 3 by 2 is the diameter. Then we can say that here D is equal to 3 by 2. D is equal to 3 by 2. He is asking about radius. Radius is equal to 3 by 4. Sometimes he may ask the area of the triangle, area of the circle also. Using the area of the circle formula pi r square, pi into 3 by 4 whole square. So pi 9 by 16 is the answer. Sometimes he may ask that question also. Let us discuss sixth question. Center of a circle which touches both axes and the line 3x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0 and lies in third quadrant. Center of circle which touches both axes. Whenever circle touches both axes, you can remember the formula of the circle is x minus r whole square plus y minus r whole square equal to r square. Center of the circle which touches both axes, another line 3x minus 4y. This circle is touching like this also. 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. Put here r comma r. Draw like this. This is r. So that implies you can use r is equal to d. I am writing. Use r is equal to d. So r is equal to, here you can write as 3r minus 4r plus 8 by 5. 3r minus 4r plus 8 by 5. Two cases will be arise. 5r is equal to here 8 minus r. So 6r is equal to 8. 6r is equal to 8. That case is not possible. 6r is equal to 8, r is equal to 4 by 3. According to options here, there is no 4 by 3. So case 1 no need. Take case 2. So second, let us discuss about case 1. R is equal to 3r minus here 3r minus 4r plus 8 by 5. So r is equal to, here you can write 8 minus r by 5. So 5r is equal to 8 minus r. So 6r is equal to 8. R is equal to 4 by 3. According to options, there is no fraction. So case 2, let us discuss. So r is equal to minus 3r plus 4r. Let us, so better to write here minus r is equal to 8 minus r by 5. So minus 5r is equal to 8 minus r. Minus 5r plus r. Minus 4r is equal to 8. R is equal to minus 2. Of course, r is not minus 2. Radius is not negative. But according to concept, r comma r concept, the center C is equal to, you can write as minus 2 comma minus 2. According to option, it is second option. Okay, let us discuss about seventh question. Now seventh question. The equation of circle circumscribing the triangle. Equation of circle circumscribing the triangle whose sides are y equal to x plus 2. This line is y is equal to x plus 2, and the two lines are passing through origin. This line is 3y equal to 4x. So let us write y equal to 4x by 3, and this line 2y equal to 3x. Let us write y is equal to 3x by 2. So solve these two lines, put here A and put here B. You should calculate the equation of circle passing through the 3 points. Substitute here y is equal to 4x by 3. So 4x by 3 is equal to x plus 2. 4x by 3 minus x. So x by 3 is equal to 2, x is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6 plus 8. So 6 plus 2. So 6 comma 8. Solve this one, y is equal to 3x by 2. Put here 3x by 2 is equal to x. Taken this side becomes 3x by 2 minus x by 2. X by 2 is equal to 2, x is equal to 4. So 4 comma y is equal to x plus 2, 4 comma 6. Triple of points we got. So let us write the equation of circle. Equation of circle which is passing to the point 0 comma 0 is x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So there is no C. Of course, otherwise we can verify options also. How many options are there passing through? This one 0, 0. Everything option is there. Every option is there. If we verify the point 4 comma 6, the first option 16 plus 6, 16 plus 36, 52, 52 minus 32, 20, 20 minus 2, 6 are 12. First option is not correct. Let us verify second option 4 comma 6. 4 square 16 plus 36 52 52 minus 46 4s are 46 into 4. Let us verify second option. Equation of circle. Verify option 2 and verify option 2. Option 2 is x square plus y square minus 46x minus 46x plus 22y equal to 0. Let us substitute the value here 4 comma 6. 4 square, this is 32, 4. 16 plus 36. 16 plus 16, let us write that. 16 plus 36 minus 46, 4 are 4 6 are 24. 2 4 4 are 16 to 18. 184 plus 22 6 are 6 2 are 12, 1 6 2 are 12, 1 13, 132. Let us discuss this is 16, that is 52, 52, 132, 184, 184 minus 184 equal to 0. So verified second option. And if you put 6 comma 8 also 6 square means 36 plus 8 square means 64 minus 46 6 are 6 is 36 3 6 4 the 24 3 27 276 plus 22 8 are 8 to the 16 1 8 to the 16 1 7. 176. This is 1600. 176 means 276 minus 276. Verified second option. Second option is the answer. So let us discuss 8th question. Equation of, this is the logical question. Equation of tangent of circle. Equation of tangent of the circle at the point 1 comma minus 1 whose center is the point of intersection of straight lines. Equation of tangent of circle. So you should calculate the equation of circle and let equation of tangent of that circle at the point 1 comma minus 1. Equation of tangent of the circle whose center is the point of intersection of the lines. Let us draw like this here. This is L1 equal to 0 and this is L2 equal to 0. Let us solve. L1 is equal to x minus y minus 1 equal to 0 and L2 is equal to 2x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. 2x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Solving the equation 1 and 2 we get the center. Minus 1 minus 1 1 minus 1. It is 1 minus 3 2 and 1. This is for x, this is for y, this is for 1. X by equation of tangent to the circle at the point. X by, this is 3 plus 1 is 4 and y by minus 2 plus 3 is 1 and 1 by 1 plus 2 3. So 4 by 3 comma 1 by 3. Put here center is equal to 4 by 3 comma 1 by 3. This is a C. 4 by 3 comma 1 by 3. We should calculate the equation of tangent at 1 comma 1. So whenever tangent is at 1 comma 1, this is nothing but R. So R is equal to root of, we can write this one as R is equal to CP. Put here this is P point P. CP is equal to R. R is equal to 4 by 3 minus 1 whole square plus of 1 by 3 plus 1 whole square. 4 by 3 minus 1 whole square plus of 1 by 3 minus 1 whole square. So we should calculate the equation of circle. 4 by 3 minus 1, this is 1 by 9 plus this is 1 plus 3, 6, 4, 4 by 3, 16 by 9. 1 plus 16, 17 by 9. Equation of circle we can write. Equation of circle as x minus 4 by 3 whole square. X minus 4 by 3 whole square plus y minus 1 by 3 whole square is equal to 17 by 9. Let us discuss about the expansion. Then we may get like this: x square plus y square minus 8x by 3 minus 2y by 3 plus 16 by 9 plus 1 by 9 becomes 0. So it is 0. So let us discuss the equation of tangent. We should calculate now equation of tangent at 1 comma minus 1 to the circle using the formula x1 equal to 0, x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus x into y plus y1 concept. So this is y minus 1 equal to 0. You can write here by taking LCM 3x minus 3y minus 4x minus 4 minus y plus 1 equal to 0. You can write here 3x minus 4x minus x, this is minus 4y minus 3 equal to 0. By multiplication with minus we get the equation of tangent as x plus 4y plus 3 equal to 0. Shortcut is there that the equation of tangent is, if we put the 1 comma minus 1 in options, so it will be getting, of course, maybe 2 options or 3 options are there. Then you should do this method only. Now let us going to discuss about 9th question. The centers of those circles which touch the circle. The centers of those circles which touch the circle x square plus y square minus 8x minus 8y minus 4 equal to 3. Given circle. Given circle is x square plus y square minus 8x minus 8y minus 4 equal to 0. The centers of those circles which touch the circle externally also touches x-axis. This is a circle. The centers of those circles which touches the circle externally and touch x-axis lie on that. So locus of center is asking. This is another circle. This circle, another circle is touching x-axis. This is the original circle S equal to. Put here the center is 4 comma 4 and radius is. Here put here this is C1 and this is C2. Let us denote the C2 with alpha and beta, which is the locus point. We can write here locus point C2 is equal to alpha comma beta. Students, we know that whenever circle touches x-axis, radius is equal to y coordinate. So radius is equal to beta. R is equal to beta. Now, using the formula C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. So C1 C2 here alpha minus 4 whole square plus beta minus 4 whole square is equal to R. This is beta, and next this is 4 plus 4, 16 plus 16, 32, 32 plus 4, 36, so it is 6. Put our root here. Now we can write squaring on both sides. Here you can write alpha square plus beta square minus 8 alpha minus 8 beta plus 32 plus 8 beta plus 32 is equal to beta square plus 12 beta plus 36. Beta square and beta square will be getting cancelled. Now I am writing here locus. Locus you can write x square minus 8x is equal to here x square minus 8x taken this side. X square minus 8x. Let us write in proper way. X square minus 8x minus 8 by minus 12 by also. Minus 12 by minus 4 equal to 0. In next step, we can write here x square minus 8x plus 16 I am writing. Of course, plus 16 is no need, but now I am converting the formula as a minus b whole square here. Plus 16 minus 12 you can write. This is minus 20 by minus 20 by minus 12 we can write equal to 0. Because minus 4 I had written as 16 minus 12. Now this one you can write in the form of x minus 4 whole square is equal to, taken here 20 by minus 12 right side, it becomes x minus 4 whole square is equal to 4 taken common here. No, 20 you take common. 20 taken common by minus 12 by 24. You can understand this one as x minus h whole square is equal to 4a into y minus k model form. X minus h whole square equal 4a into y minus k whole square form. It is a parabola. You will be knowing about the shapes of parabola and types of parabola in parabola chapter. Y square is equal to 4x is the standard equation of parabola. Depends upon y square is equal to 4x. X square is equal to 4a is also parabola. If x square is equal to 4a is a parabola, its vertex is 0, 0. If the 0, 0 vertex is shifted to h, k, then it becomes the equation as x minus h whole square is equal to 4a into y minus k. If you are having any doubt, we can write like this: x minus 4 whole square is equal to 4 into 5 here into y minus 3 by 6. So of course 1 by 2 also we can write 1 by 2. This is the parabola. So locus is parabola. Now let us discuss about 10th question. 9 questions completed in the circuit chapter level 4. Let us going to discuss about 10th question. This is the last question of the circuit chapter in object also. Tenth one. If one diameter of circle given by the equation given circle and given circle S is equal, given circle S is equal to x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. If one diameter of circle given by the equation is a chord of circle S, so this is S dash given. Next another circle is there S dash. If one diameter of circle is the chord of another circle, put this is a diameter. This diameter is a chord of another circle. Like this. This is the chord. This is S is equal to 0. Maybe this given circle is S dash equal to this diameter. So center here you can put as 2 comma minus 3 and the radius, this is radius. Here center 2 comma minus 3, radius is 5. 4 plus 9 minus half minus plus 12 concept. Now he is asking is it if one diameter of a circle given by the equation x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0 is a chord of circle, another circle whose center is minus 3 comma 4. He indicated here the center of this circle. Center of third circle is minus 3 comma 2. Then radius of S. So what is the radius? Here this is the center. From center to any point of the circle. Of course this one also. Chord of circle. So this is the circle. Rough diagram I am drawing space. Let this is C2. 3 comma minus 3 comma 2 you can put. minus 3 comma 2 is the C2. Let this is a C1. Now let us discuss about, put this is a P, this is a P. Draw a triangle like this. This is C1. At C1 this is right angle. This is C2 and this is P. C1P you can write 5 and C2P. What is C1? 2 comma minus 3. What is C2? Minus 3 comma 2. Let us discuss about the distance of C1, C2. 2 plus 3 this is 25 and minus 3 plus 1. This is also 25. Put here root 50. This is 5. So root 25 also you can write. Now what is the, using the square of the hypotenuse equal to sum of the squares of two sides concept, you can write C1 C2 whole square plus C1P whole square. So here 50 plus 25 you can take as 75 and C2P is equal to, C2P is nothing but radius of circle 2, second circle RS, that is equal to 5 root 3 units. 5 root 3. So here is first option. 10 questions you have completed in this concept. So 5 root 3 is the radius of circle here. Okay students, successfully we have completed the chapter circles until objective level 4. Concept to theory, formulae, proofs and level 1. Level 1 I did not touch, of course. I gave the work to you. Level 1 classwork, level 1 homework I given work to you, and level 2 complete I said. Level 2 homework I given some sums homework to you, and level 2 homework I handled some sums. Now level 3 everything I handled, level 4 also completed. Let us discuss the topic, next topic, system of circles in next class. Okay students, whatever the work I given to you, complete the work.